Alda Ferrald, it's time for school.
No way, Mom. I am not going to school today.
Well, too bad. You were going to school and that's final. The school bus is outside waiting for you. Go there right now, or you're grounded.
Fine. Whatever you say, Mom. I'll go to school.
Good morning, class. Today we will learn about World War VII.
Excuse me, teacher. Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure you can. But come right back.
Wait, I know. I'm gonna pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now to pull it down.
Oh no. It's the fire alarm. Class, let's leave the building quickly. Oh, Alda Ferrald, I was worried about you. Are you all right?
Yes, Ms. Green, but what's going on?
Well, Alda Ferrald, we have a fire drill, so we have to be out of the building so we can be safe. All right, class, sorry about the fire drill. Let's go ahead and learn about World War VII right now.
Attention, Alda Ferrald. Report to my office now.
Yes, Mr. Hernandez, what do you need?
Can you explain this in this video?
Nothing. I don't know who pulled down the fire alarm.
Alda Ferrald. Stop lying and tell me the truth. Did you pull down the fire alarm?
Yes, I did.
Alda Ferrald, how dare you pull down the fire alarm? That's it. You're suspended for 5 days. Go home. Right now.
Alda Ferrald, I cannot believe you pulled down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 5 days. That's it. You were grounded until your suspension is over.
Go to your room now and think about what you did.
WAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAAA